Why do Jamaicans say blood clot? Yes guys, it's your boy Roman, and this week we'll be looking at some questions people type in Google about Jamaicans, or questions people Google search about Jamaicans. Let's go. Do Jamaicans speak English? Okay, like obviously we do. Yeah, there are some persons who are surprised when I say I speak English. They're like, Pikachu face. Jamaicans speak English? I'm like, nah bruh, nah. Like, we were just totally not colonized by England, you know? And for the second search, do Jamaicans speak Spanish? That's a legit question, because if it weren't for the English in 1655, Spanish would have been our official language. Think about it. Why do Jamaicans say blood clot? Well, we don't say blood clot, we say something else, but okay. Why do Jamaicans sound Irish? To be honest, I didn't think we sound Irish, but I saw this video recently and with this guy, and he's Irish and he sounds Jamaican. Some things. I'll show the video here.
Tonight, weather warnings remain in place right across the northwest.
Why are Jamaicans so fast? Yeah, I get asked that question a lot. Do all Jamaicans run fast? Why are you fast? Are Jamaicans Latino? No. Well, I have some Latino in blood, you know, like, I'm a little bit mixed. Some Chinese there too. Asian. Where do Jamaicans come from? I mean, this could be a sensible question, as in, where are the Jamaican descendants from? Where do Jamaicans come from? Maybe Jamaica? I don't know. Okay, how do you know if Jamaicans? How do you know if Jamaican man is using? Okay, what does that mean? When a man gives more attention to his buddies than the girl, he may be using her. When he doesn't want to give up his location, or when she has to beg to get certain things, he's more than like using her. Is this Jamaican related or just men in general?
Excuse me, what?
Is anyone here able to answer a couple questions about Jamaica for a group project?
Of course!
Of course, right there. Wait, who's this one that does this? Is it like Mini-Me? Loki, just write out all the questions you have and we'll answer them. Okay? As we suggested, just put the questions and you'll get your answer. Okay, so where are the questions? Where are the questions? Okay, anyways, let's look at this video. Jamaica is not a real place. What's happening? What? Okay, wait, hold on. Okay, I want the audio. Wait, let's look at this again. This video is a mess. That is so Jamaican. That was so Jamaican. Okay, I sidetracked, I'm sorry. Stereotypical question Jamaicans are tired of hearing.
What do you mean having to see Black Panther? I don't like action movies. Girl?
Okay, but yeah, I have been asked if I've watched Black Panther, not because I'm Jamaican, but just because I'm black. And I did see Black Panther. I actually did when it came out in theater.
So, what's your background?
Oh, I'm Jamaican.
Yeah, man, light it up!
Oh my god, the cringe. I mean, first of all, the question is okay, but usually when you say you're Jamaican and people go with it, yeah man, Irie, the cringe, I hate it so much.
Do you sound weird?
I've never been asked if I sell weed, but I've been asked if I smoke weed. Yeah. Alright guys, so that is my video for today about questions people ask online about Jamaicans. I really hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. If you've not already subscribed, please hit that subscription button tap the notification bell, my phone is ringing, and subscribe. Okay, finally, remember I publish videos on Saturdays and Wednesdays. So spread the love and yeah, share it. I'll see you next time. Ciao, ciao. And I don't wanna close my eyes. I don't wanna fall asleep 'cause I miss you, babe. And I don't wanna miss a thing.